welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be opening cars. And the first one we're going to be opening is a 17 Ford GT. Sorry guys, but this is the 17 Ford GT. And what I like about the 17 Ford GT is like the lines on the top and it's silver. And the next car we're going to be opening is a Porsche 911 GT3 RS. And what I like about this one is like, this kind of looks like a face. And that's good. And the next one we're going to be opening is a 2016 GT race. And what I like about this one is that it's orange and the spoiler is super cool. And that it says Hot Wheels 22. And the last one we're going to be opening is Indy 500 Oval. And what I like about this one is there's a character that you can see. And there's a spoiler and like the back wheels are bigger than the front. Anyways, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe and turn on the notifications. Bye!